This is the LG 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor, and today we're going to check it out. So for my research, there seems to be a ton of monitors in this kind of category, each one with slightly different properties, but the prices are all across the board. The model number for this one is the 34UM69G-B. I'll make sure to leave a link to this guy in the top of the description so it's very easy to find. This monitor is coming in at just under $400, which seems like a really nice sweet spot where you're getting high quality parts, but it's still reasonably priced. In a future video, we'll do a comparison between this guy and my other LG monitor, which also is 34-inch, but it costs over $1,000. Alright, back to this guy. Let's take a look at some of the features. The resolution of this screen is 2560 by 1080. Now, since this is 21 by 9, it doesn't really fit into your standard dimensions of 16 by 9. But since the height is 1080, that basically means you're getting a full 1080 picture with a little extra on the sides. This means it's not a true 4K monitor, but since it's geared towards gamers and video editors, that's not too big of a deal, at least for me. Only if you get really close to a monitor can you see some of the pixels. Since this is a gaming monitor, there's a lot of really beefed up specs like a 5 millisecond response time, 75Hz refresh rate. Since I'm not much of a gamer, that doesn't really mean too much to me, but I can tell you, when editing, it is absolutely flawless. It's also got FreeSync technology for fluid gameplay, which synchronizes the refresh rate between the GPU and the display to eliminate image tears and choppiness. Yeah, I've not seen a single issue with tearing or choppiness in any of the videos that I've played. On the back of this guy, it's got an HDMI port, display port, USB Type-C, and a headphone jack, along with the power cable. Now, since this guy has a USB Type-C port on the back, you can connect this to any of the latest generation MacBook Pros without using any dongles whatsoever. This would be the most streamlined way to connect the monitor to your computer. It's got a 178-degree horizontal and vertical viewing angle. It's wall mountable, but I really like the stand that is included, which is very adjustable with height and angle, along with fitting very well with the aesthetic of the monitor. It's got a black stabilizer feature which keeps visibility even in dark scenes. I think that's another gaming tool there. And finally, it is ENERGY STAR certified, which means it meets strict energy efficiency guidelines set by the Environmental Protection Agency and US Department of Energy. So there we have it, the LG 34-inch ultra-wide gaming monitor. Make sure to stay tuned for that upcoming video where I compare this to my other monitor, which is curved and quite a bit more expensive. Once again, the link to this guy is down below if you want to check it out. You really can't beat this price for this high quality of a monitor. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're at all interested in video production and camera tips and tricks and stuff like that. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to keep it pro.